How to customize button positions in Headball 2. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. If you're trying to improve your gameplay controls or trying to play smoother in fast-paced mobile games like Headball 2, then you are in the right place. First of all, open up Headball 2 on your device and wait for the main lobby screen to load. Once you're inside the lobby page, go ahead and tap on the drop down at the top right corner in green and click on the gear button. Now, once you're inside this settings menu, tap on Customize Buttons. You'll then be able to see this customized page where you can tap and drag the buttons and change their positions as your preferences. Simply go ahead and find the button you want to move and press and hold it and drag it to the desired position. You can also tap on this button over here to try out different positions. Adjust it until it feels comfortable for your thumb reach. And once you are done, you can tap on the cross icon at the top right corner. And now try a quick practice or match or training mode to see if the new layout feels smoother. So that's how you place and position your buttons in Headball 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.